Welcome to Code YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and get to know regarding programming and technology stuff. So this is the first video of Spring or Spring Boot development. As a Java developer, you will gain lots of knowledge from this video series. Today I am going to explain regarding what is Spring Framework. Spring is a framework with various sub-frameworks such as Struts, Hibernate, EGP, JSP, and etc. The Spring framework includes several modules such as IOC, AOP, DAO, Context, ORM, WebMVC, and so on. Spring framework gains high performance, easy testability, and traceability. Spring framework targets to make J2EE development easy. So you can go to spring.io URL and learn more on Spring. The next video I will explain what is dependency indexing or DI and inversion of control, that means IOC. Please subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you very much.